We put together this video to demonstrate what your vehicle might look like with the Headlight Armor Smoke Taillight Kit, using a Volkswagen GTI with stock incandescent taillights, our Light Smoke Taillight Film, and our Dark Smoke Third Brake Light Film. We started out in the bright sun with the turn signals, brake lights, parking lights and turn signals, parking lights and brake lights. We repeated the process in the shade, turn signals, brake lights, parking lights and turn signals, parking lights and brake lights. Driving by on a side street, brake lights and turn signals. Driving by in the alley with the brake lights, turn signals, next up we show the brake lights, brake lights at about 75 feet, brake lights further out, brake lights still further out, and brake lights at about 500 feet. And finally, we repeat the brake test with the parking lights on, brake lights at about 75 feet, brake lights further out, brake lights further out still, and brake lights at about 500 feet. We hope you found the video helpful and informative. If you did, give us a like and visit headlightarmor.com for lighting kits for your specific application today.